Finally, a nice place to sit. My feet are killing me. This job fair is bigger than I expected. So many companies.
You tell me, I've working for almost 2 hours, but it's exciting, right? Oh, I don't think you have met. Defanka, this is Daffa. Daffa, this is Defanka.
Oh, hi, I'm Defanka. It's finally great to meet you properly. We are in the same major, right?
Hi, Defanka. Yeah, that's right. Your name sounds familiar. I think I saw your presentation about rail mechanics in the last semester, right? That's very impressive.
Oh, wow. Thanks for remembering. What brings you to the job fair today? Are you looking for any specific companies?
I'm exploring my option really. I'm particularly interested in the company that are focused in the sustainable infrastructure. How about you, Rashid?
For me, I'm aiming for the big league, the top five national construction firms. I just want to see their technology and what kind of graduate program they offer.
Speaking of big firms, did either of you two go to Maju Jaya Construction booth? Their booth was insane.
Mm, I did. In fact, I got their brochure just right here. They are describing their new skyscraper project, the Nusantara Tower. It's a massive building, almost 80 stories high.
I saw the model. It looked very unique and twisting design, and it looked very complex. What the brochure say about the structural system? I'm curious how they handle the kind of that shape.
Good question. Let me see. It says here that the core structure is a reinforced composite concrete. They use a tuned mass damper system on the top floor to stabilize the building. For the exterior, it's a double skinned glass facade to improve energy efficiency.
A double skin facade, that's high tech. What about the foundation? For a building tall like that, especially in our region, the geotechnical aspect must be a huge challenge. Does it mention the foundation they use?
It briefly mentions they are using pile raft foundation system, going very deep to hit the bedrock. They really emphasize their advanced technology.
All this advanced technology is impressive, but what's your real opinion on a mega project like this? Is it truly beneficial for the public?
Honestly, I have mixed feelings about this. On one hand, it symbolizes economic progress and creates more jobs. On the other hand, I'm worried about the social impact. Building something so luxurious could drive up living costs and displace local communities.
That's an interesting perspective, but I have to disagree slightly. I believe these long-term economic benefits, like increase the tourism and business investment, outweigh the short-term issues. Don't you think it's a necessary step for city to become a global hub?
Yeah, I see your point, but I'm not fully convinced. We have seen so many cases where mega projects only benefits the rich. In my opinion, developments should be more inclusive. Maybe they should invest more in public transportation or affordable housing first.
You both raise valid points. It highlights a classic dilemma in civil engineering. Are we building monuments or are we building for this for society? I personally think the solution lies in policy. The government should mandate that a portion of the project profit is reinvested into the local community. Would not that be a fair compromise?
That's actually a brilliant compromise. A win-win solution. I can get behind that.
This whole debate is fascinating. It really makes you think about what kind of engineer you want to be. What about you, Daffa? After talking about sustainability and policy, what's your ideal career path?
Just clarified my goal, surely. I'm hoping to become an environmental engineering consultant. My passion isn't just about building things, but building them right in harmony with the nature. I want to be the person who brings sustainable infrastructure or solution to the table.
That's a noble goal I admire. But for me, it's actually the pill that was the chance. I'm going to apply for a structural engineer position. I want to be in the team that solve complex structural puzzles like how to make an 80-story building stand firm against an earthquake. The technical challenge excites me.
And that perfectly explains our different views earlier. It all makes sense now. As for me, my dream job is to be a great project manager. I am fascinated by the bigger picture, managing the team, the budget, the risk, and a timeline to turn blueprint into reality. I want to be the orchestra. I want to be the conductor of the orchestra, making sure everyone plays their part perfectly.
Wow, a structural engineer, environmental consultant, and project manager, we basically like a complete team right here on this bench.